too. Me too. I'm starving. I'm starving more.
And we're invited.
Wait, how did we get an invite? Oh, you guys are gonna get into so much trouble. Whatever, Stein.
I'm serious. Quiet.
I'm trying. But I'm hungry.
I'll have no choice.
What was what?
Oh,
what is it?
Russell's right about that kibble.
Not to mention hunger.
Oh. Oh, right. Oh.
Good right now. Just relaxing while mine's gurgling. By the way, did you have any history? Awesome. I knew you were doing it for me, sweetie. As a reward, I can let you listen to my romance. How about that? When did he ever come back home? I hope my Nico will be okay. I really am.
So.
I'll admit, maybe my stomach isn't so bad. Why it's rumbling so hard, actually.
Oh.
Shut your mouth! No more excuses!